Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to turn on vibration mode when anyone call you or message you on WhatsApp. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So firstly open the WhatsApp and then you can see three dot on the top right corner and then click on setting. So in setting, here you can see notification. So click on notification and then you can see vibrate. So just click on it. And here you can select default, short or long. So when you will click on it, so you can see the vibration is on and then click on OK. So guys, in this way you can turn on vibration mode when anyone call or message you. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.